Welcome to Linux Help. How to install Elasticsearch on Oracle Linux 9.3. Elasticsearch is a cost-effective, open-source, distributed search and analytics engine that is proficient in managing substantial quantities of data for real-time full-text searches in applications requiring comprehensive data analysis. Its popularity stems from its user-friendly interface, robust functionalities, and scalability. Elasticsearch facilitates data manipulation through a RESTful API with an HTTP URI. Its user-friendly features include automatic node recovery, enhanced security measures, scalability and resilience, automated data balancing, and additional capabilities. Check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. Elasticsearch is a Java-based application, so Java must be installed on your server. If not installed, you can install it by running the following command. After the installation, verify the Java version by using the following command. By default, Elasticsearch is not included in the Oracle Linux default repository, so we will need to create a repository for it. For that, first download and import the GPG key with the following command. Create an Elasticsearch repo by using the following command. With the created repository file, we can now install Elasticsearch by using the following command. After installing Elasticsearch, edit the Elasticsearch main configuration file by using the following command. Enable the Elasticsearch service by using the following command. Check the status of the Elasticsearch service by using the following command. Elasticsearch service is inactive, so start the service by using the following command. Again, check the status of Elasticsearch by using the following command. Verify Elasticsearch using the following command. This is process to install Elasticsearch on Oracle Linux 9.3. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.